But what better place to kick things off than right here at the GSL Open House? We first caught up with Nebraska Extension Range Management Specialist, Dr. Mitchell Stephenson, to discuss current research happening here at GSL. Of course, it's an exciting day today with the annual Open House. Tell us what producers can expect and what's going to be happening here today.
Yeah, it's always a highlight of the year to be able to put this on. It's been going on. This will be the 26th year that it's been going on, and we try to come together, all the people that work here throughout the year, to highlight the research that we have going on. There's a number of different faculty from across the state, both at our research extension education centers as well as from on campus, that talk about different aspects of beef production that we do research on here.
Most definitely. Well, there's going to be lots of topics covered at length today. One of those, of course, will be virtual fencing, a topic that you are very well versed on. Tell us what you'll be presenting to producers and some of the new things on the topic of virtual fence.
Yeah, we've conducted virtual fence research here for the last few years at the ranch, and so we've kind of learned a lot in terms of the different options that are available out there. When we started, there was only one company. Now there's several companies that are providing this technology, and so we're really looking at everything from welfare to what we can do in terms of varying our grazing management, those types of things. And so we're going to highlight some of that. We're also going to talk a little bit about some of the trade-offs, costs, those types of things to help producers better understand this technology and what it can do for them.
Well, certainly another thing on the docket is the ADAPT project. Tell us what that is and what you'll be sharing.
Yeah, this was a kind of a long time coming project, I would say. It's been in the planning for the last several years. This last year we were able to get funding, and this is a project led by Dr. Galen Erickson and the Beef Innovation Hub. And it brings together a number of faculty from all the different, several of the departments in IANR, Biological Systems Engineering, SNR, Agronomy and Horde, Animal Science, others. And really what this project is trying to do is look at the different management systems that we have cattle in. So there's the Goodmanson is one of the sites, Barter Brothers Ranch is another site, and then also Eastern Nebraska Research Extension Education Center is another site. So these different systems, different management, and we're looking at a number of different things from greenhouse gas emissions and uptake and carbon uptake into the rangeland areas or grassland areas. We're looking at the resilience of some of these systems in terms of how grazing animals incorporate into that ecosystem, and then also looking at local knowledge and better understanding how ranchers make this management work within these different areas. And so it's a pretty broad project, but I think it has some really neat implications for better understanding beef cattle production in our state.